Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to disable your laptop keyboard temporarily. So it's very easy. You need to go to the start menu and just type here device manager. Simply go to this section and just search for here keyboard section if you see, and just enable that, and this will be the actual keyboard of your laptop which you are using here. So if you want to disable this, simply click on that, and as you can see this is actually your keyboard here, which is actually plugged into the keyboard port. So if you want to disable this, right click on this and you will see this option appearing, which is uninstall device. So if you do this, you will get this warning that is you are about to uninstall this device from your system. So once you click the uninstall button, your keyboard will be disabled and you just need to restart your computer if the changes are not taken place. But majority of the time, if you click uninstall, your keyboard will be disabled, uh, and when you restart your machine, I think once again it will be re-enabled once again. So in this easy way you can enable and disable keyboards, laptop keyboards inside Windows 10 and 11. Just go to device manager. If you have multiple keyboards, then it will show, but for my case it's only a single keyboard, so that's why it is showing. And just right click and uninstall device, and just click the uninstall button. So in this easy way you can do this. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.